Creating a roadmap in Confluence provides a visual overview of project timelines, goals, and key milestones, which is valuable for planning and tracking progress. Here's a quick guide to setting one up. Create a new page. Go to the desired Confluence space and click the Create button to start a new page. Select a template. Confluence offers a product roadmap template, which can be helpful for project roadmaps. Alternatively, start with a blank page and customize it as needed. Add the Roadmap Planner macro. Click on the Insert More Content button in the toolbar, then select Roadmap Planner from the macro options. This opens a simple roadmap layout that you can customize. Define phases and bars. Use the roadmap's timeline to define high-level phases, such as quarters or months. Add bars within each phase to represent specific tasks, features, or milestones, and label them accordingly. Assign colors and dates. Color code bars for better visual organization and set start and end dates to clarify timelines. You can also add labels for team members, dependencies, or priorities. Publish and update. Click Publish to share the roadmap. Team members can view and update it as the project progresses, making it a dynamic planning tool.